Hello everyone, how are you? I am your teacher. You can call me Mr. Rumi. I will answer some important questions which will be very helpful for you. So I welcome you on my channel Class Beta where we will be discussing question.
Is chlorine Cl paramagnetic or diamagnetic? Correct answer is chlorine Cl is paramagnetic. Paramagnetic substances have unpaired electrons which are attracted to a magnetic field. Chlorine has one unpaired electron in its 3p orbital, making it paramagnetic. This property arises from the presence of unpaired electrons in its outer shell, allowing it to exhibit magnetic behavior when interacting with an external magnetic field. Track its paramagnetic nature. Chlorine showcases its unique electronic configuration, distinguishing it from diamagnetic elements that lack unpaired electrons and are not influenced by magnetic fields. So that was our today's correct answer to question. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. I will be answering your question soon. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like, share and subscribe our channel. See you in the next question. Bye bye.